Hey, what's up everyone? So आप लोगों को देखना था कि मैं फिटनेस फर्स्ट है, फिर मैं दुबई में कहाँ पे काम करता हूँ. तो ये मेरा जिम है और मैं आपको आज दिखाऊंगा exactly what are the facilities we have and how big this fitness first is actually. It's in the Festival City Mall. So come. The one who is shooting this video is one of my dearest brother. His name is Ashwit, and thank you so much, Ashwit, for helping me to shoot this video. Thank you, buddy. So if you look at the reception, Ashwit, come here. If you look at the reception, this is the place where you actually check in. Okay, yeah, that's right. And अगर आप यहाँ पर देखते हो तो यहाँ पर they have a protein shop as well. So basically, if you want to have your pre-workout or anything, you can just buy it from here and you can start your workout. So they have the, as you can see, they have the supplements as well. They have vitamins, and you can also buy water before working out, or if you are running out of water, you can buy. And this is the place where you check in if you want to buy the membership and everything. Here is always, hey Crystal, say hi. So that's Crystal. She is the one who is at the reception. Usually she is going to ask you for a card if you're a member. So there is a separate entry for members, which usually you have to show your card over here. It reads your card and then they open this door. And if you're a trainer, if you're a staff, there is a separate entry for you. Crystal, could you just press the door? So yes, after that this opens up and that's when you get inside. Come on, quickly Chinna. Yes. The first thing आपको जिम में आने के बाद दिखने को मिलता है, that is this lounge where you can actually rest and not actually rest, but अगर आपके पास pre workout है या फिर you just want to sit here, you can sit and chill here. After that we have this section in this gym. Okay, यहाँ पर आप क्या कर सकते हो, यहाँ पर आप जिम में आने के बाद you can just go and you can change and come. After that, you can do your mobility drills or your warm-up routine and everything. You can just do it in this section. So we have Swiss balls, we have this pull-up bar, whatever. We have these steppers. So whatever the kind of warm-up that you want to do, you can do it here. अगर आप यहाँ पर देखते हो, we have a huge hall, man. This hall is only for the group activity. हाँ, अगर आपको ग्रुप क्लास बुक करनी है तो what you can do is, here is a tablet, okay? So you can actually check what kind of group classes that you have in the gym and you can, book them according to the day, all right? इसके बाद, if you look at this gym, now just to show you how big this gym is, मैं क्या करूँगा? I'll just take a walk till there and come back, okay? Now just to show you how big this place is, I'm going to take a walk, okay? Yes. So अगर आपने देखा तो ये जिम इतना बड़ा है कि अगर आपको ट्रेडमिल पे वार्म अप करना पसंद नहीं है, तो we also have this tracks built in the gym, 14 meters wide track only for you to do all the warm up and mobilization. We also have the fit bench. So basically fit bench क्या है? So fit bench में there are a couple of dumbbells, couple of kettlebells, and this bench can actually become flat, incline. Yeah, so this bench can actually become incline and flat. You can train your shoulder or chest, whatever. All right. Okay. Then we have this famous sledge. You can actually push this thing with whatever the weight that you can push. So only because Ashwit said that he wanted me to push it, so I'm going to push it, okay? I'm very fast. Go. Shit. So if you look at the number of power cages that we have in this gym is mind blowing. So we have power cage number 1, then we have Smith machine, bench press. Now this is a PT station. We have 2 of these. Okay. Yeah. If you look at this section, we have every machine that is required for you to build amazing body. We have 2 kind of leg press, we have 3 kinds of seated row machine, we have 2 kind of lat pull downs, we have pec fly machine, we have delt machine, we have anterior delt machine, we have middle deltoid machine, then we also have this kickback only for the glutes isolation. And we have 2 leg curls. I mean, this one is the standing leg curl, and that one we have seated leg curl as well. Okay. And if you look at in this section, we have 2 power cages with lifting platform. So, I mean, you can use this for all the weight you can lift, man. Okay. This section is specially only for the free weights. The maximum, the heaviest dumbbell that we have, about 50 kilos. So, this is it. This is all about fitness first. There is also a ladies section. It's definitely, I mean, obviously we can't go there and check out, but that is also one of the biggest section that we have. That's all, guys. Thank you.